avoid overwatering your hair if you're a swimmer or have to get it wet every day. Hi, my name is Barbara and I give you curly life lessons as I do my makeup. I have made lots of videos recently on this subject, so definitely check that out if this video does not answer your specific question. Of course, there's options like wearing a swimming cap, and I've seen some recent advertisements of swimming caps that really aren't supposed to make your hair wet, but I understand it's not really the cutest thing. So here's the thing. I absolutely love the pool. I hate the ocean. I could be in a pool for 6 hours. Let's play mermaids, movies, let's have diving contests. I am so in. That being said, I spent my late teens and early 20s totally avoiding the pool at all costs because I did not want to ruin my hair. What the heck kind of life is that? But just last summer, I made a vow that I would never do that again. I just decided for me, life is way too short and I'll just deep condition it or something afterwards. All these hair rules are not laws. They're really just suggestions for people who are struggling with different hair issues. Take them with a grain of salt and just live your life.